Hello once again. So today I'm going to complete my second video on how to set up a radial design. Now I want you guys to know that the first thing that you should do when we're setting up a radial design is to make sure that we create a diagonal line that intersects the middle of your square. Now you should have a piece of paper that's square. This piece of paper is 10 inches by 10 inches. I think that's the best size for this assignment. If you go 9 by 9, you're gonna be working with different measurements. If you go 11 by 11, same thing. But for 10 by 10 inches, I'm going to show you how to use the intersecting diagonal lines plus some measurements on two sides of your paper to create your first lines that will help you create a radial balanced drawing. Okay, so first thing you want to do is make sure you go from corner to corner, creating diagonal line, right, bottom left, top left, bottom right. All right, I already have mine, and I find my central point. So that's the center of this square. The next thing you want to do is, in my prior video, I used 1-inch marks. Here I'm going to use 2-inch marks. So I'm going to take my ruler, and for those that are not accustomed to using rulers, make sure that you don't use the edge. Most rulers, a good ruler, will leave the end of the ruler as just extra material on that measuring tool, and your first unit will be about 2/16 of an inch inside. So I look for the 0 mark here, and then I place that 0 mark on the corner, and I pick my bottom left as my true corner or true side for my measurement. So I'm going every 2 inches from left to right. 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10 will be the corner here. I'm going to do the same for this area. The left side is going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10 will be the corner here. So I already had these marked up. Make sure that you guys have that marked up. And now we're going to work with a little bit of geometry here. Geometry that you guys should be accustomed to. So if I intersect that central location in a square, this shape will be the opposite exact of the shape that I'll create on the other side. So I'll take my first mark, then I'm going to line the ruler with the center mark, and then I'm going to create a line. So this shape is the exact opposite shape of one another. Okay, this and this are exact mirror opposites. Okay, so let's do that again. And you want to do that across the entire bottom to intersect that central point and create the exact opposite shape on the top part. So these are all exact opposites. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing with this edge. Just want to turn my paper, and then I'm gonna take my mark, intersect that central location, and continue to do that across the entire paper. Okay, I would rewind this video, stop this video until you get your radial design template correct. So this is the beginning. This is the start. This is how we started. So this is the first video. I'll use this to create my design so that you guys can see it. So you'll wait for video number 2, and I'll show that to you guys sometime next week.